I got it. I'm gonna record for like 3 minutes, see if she does it some more. She's taking a bath in the drinking water. Chirpy, the other bird with the blue on, is freaking out. He wants to do it too, but he's afraid to. See, he's trying to. He's trying to fit in with her. Chirpy, just jump in and do it already. Come on, Chirpy. You can do it. Oh, come on, Blondie.
He's doing it.
He did it.
Doing what Blondie was.
Oh, Blondie, look what you taught Chirpy. No, Mom, now Chirpy's doing it. Oh my God. I thought I'd never see Chirpy do that. My birds are so weird. Look at how weird my birds are, people. I got unique little birdies here. God, Chirpy loves that, doesn't he? I told you he does it.
Make room for Blondie. Blondie wants to get in.
This is funny.
Chirpy Blondie turn. Chirpy turn.
This is so retarded. Oh my God, Chirpy and Blondie.
They love that water. There's that beer in there.
That beer? Yeah, that's beer in there, alright. No. I can't stop laughing. They're fighting over. They're fighting over the water. Chirpy, there's another one over there. Oh, right there.
Yeah, loving that.
Man, Chirpy, why are you doing that? I never. He's all puffed up. Man, this is so weird. Hey, are you recording too?
I got you.
I got you. We're both recording the same thing. Go Chirpy! Go Chirpy! Hi! Okay, that's it for today. See ya later.